Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, Teacher Diary. In this lecture, we will learn these topics: why we need variables and what are the rules for naming variables. So let's start. The first question is why we need variable. As we know that we write program for computer to execute our instruction to perform specific task or to convert input into information. So for this purpose there must be some memory where our data are stored before processing, after processing and during processing. For example, if we want to add two numbers A and B, it means that two spaces in RAM are required, and after addition of these two numbers the result will also be stored in RAM at a specific location. So these memory location which are specific, which store the value before processing, during processing and after processing is called variable. What is variable? A variable in C++ is a name for a piece of memory that can be used to store information. In simple way, we can define variable as a mailbox where information can be put and retrieved from. All computers have memory called random access memory that is available for program to use. Before data processing or before a variable is used, a variable must be declared. A piece of that memory is set aside for a variable. Consider the following segment of code: int a is equal to 5, int b is equal to 2, int result is equal to a minus b. Rules for naming variable. The symbol used for a variable is called an identifier or variable name. A set of rules used for naming variables. These are: valid identifier is a sequence of one or more letters, digits or underscore. Variable name या identifier letters, digits और underscore पर मुश्तमिल हो सकता है. Neither spaces nor punctuation marks or symbol can be part of an identifier. Variable identifiers always have to begin with a letter. They can also begin with underscore. In no case a variable can begin with a digit. A reserved word of the C++ language cannot be variable. Names should be meaningful. Names should not be too long. I hope you will learn this lecture. Allah Hafiz.